Today I'm going to show you how to change out a gas cap on a 2012 Kia Rio. So to change the gas cap, first open the gas door. Once that's open, we're going to open this up. So what you're going to want to do is you come in here. I've seen either people, you can use non-marring tools or whatever, and you can usually pry it out this way. Just work it back and forth. They'll usually pop out. Otherwise, you can give it a little push and that comes off. All you need to do at that point is just take off the gas cap. Then to install the new gas cap, what you can do is install it. Make sure it clicks. When they stop doing that, they're usually going bad. Then all this is you can see that it's just a little thing that squeezes down. You can push this back into that little tab, just with like a finger. Just kind of work it back and forth. Once it pops in, you're done. So if you like straightforward repair videos such as this, please subscribe and have a great day.